former chairman and ope ono so adwene na ye ba be di enkomo na nsema ye ba be hwe no politics ne de on politics but e be hwe ne ye mramra kakra nso so nsem yenu na ewo ho a da bia meka se ye ka bi ma menka bi ye nchesa yegusu a ye nyini nti omo na bibia ba na akoye mrasem na wo se ye nya lawyers ne bi na omo kirem omo mayi mu adesua se be ya sa wote a enche na nkoye onwa ma bi se asem na sa wonte ase a adwun be yo se no bi sisi obi no ne ade ne di kan pa no a ye be di hon komo yes member of parliament for Fomina or the krata koso peso ko independent sasem no ibedi hon komo de honorable Kennedy o hina Japan Asen Central Mrashe Badwani Ralph Eka ne lawyers ya omom jinamodi aman wo bra koba se court action content sasem no so ko pie wo Supreme Court eno nso ye behwe eno pa ho a de na ekoso achi ase na afi MPP party no ankasa mu in general Ralph Fimafo ene enso ebedi sa enkomo no Ralph akwaba
yeah
what to say
no we no so
yes me hoye yes da se so bring na mu no waje enso na ye ba bedi nkomo eni kan fa de honorable Kennedy o hina Japan de no enfa enhyase mo hyase wo hina mo de copy Supreme Court
em say enche bia na kasa bi piem from me e won na two studio ha na epie no Oman na me kra de em Kumasi na me colleague lawyer bi Sunday you know me
audio no na video no
it's a video
okay
nti me hwe na me friend no and o say na sase bi a wato 18 years a odi obi akotena so obi akwakobu ketika no apam one ne yire se ne dia nti okọ ho na okohu se omode papers bi abobọ ho paper no kra na motion for injunction but ona dwemu no office injunction okay and ma out best in buy nti Oman na yetete from him say judge be issue order for him to appear and show cause why he should not be punished severely.
Okay.
For commenter we making on the 2TV and Omanfm. Nti discuss here na just yen seven there and they say a year abay. Okay, we create to create bibi. Nti yenhwe say e benya na 7 answer. Nti em say na it was for him to come on the 14th to that court. Yen 7 until the 14th no was you say on the bia na paper bia na mo from him. Nti 14th no your honor minya call free moa. Okay. Say omode service by substitution. Okay. Adabebo premises are for him to appear on the 18th. Immediately I say Joy FM for so free. To one friend America say well even though procedurally no say we attempt service 3 times na we nipa na and we call for service no say no be abebe wa o de you deem service has been effected. Okay. And then we will appear before him. However, the judge who issued the order and you don't comment no a fan we are going to invoke the supervisory jurisdiction of the Supreme Court, because Supreme Court no on the High Court any court of appeal so I say papa na mama we bonibia no original and article 132 on the 17th of September and a file process Supreme Court and a same 17th na the several registrar of the Lands Court said the Beka judge in sa okay the 18th ya koye and the man ya we say any pana comments in the fan ho motion na ya dia bro na ya proof of service any pana ya copy no dingu ase entiyewa. However, you are invoking the supervisory jurisdiction of the Supreme Court. It is say, can tell the Supreme Court on the 13th. Or Cassian Samba, well, law abiding citizen. He's not about the law. Yeah. He will appear before you duly. Judge Nisino, I will continue because I have not been served with an order from the Supreme Court. And I argue, sir, out of respect.
Sir, just a Supreme Court level 7 and answer more bonamania no, Namunina, so more abusua kromo mu no obetumi ade manual form say
out of respect for the Supreme Court immediately a process never attention through the registrar no
okay
because o serve judicial secretary no the call registrar no the registrar no ma aware out of respect for the Supreme Court and a normal circumstance or say hot trial or see no we continue until that 18th no there was an argument back and forth and no decide is okay young comra 24th near me further argument on the matter until before the 24th no and the filing process a firm stay of proceedings
okay tell me answer
and no dey no court until only trial because there's a process pending in the Supreme Court a say wo a person you prohibit you from sitting on this matter na you question order no you come to appear no because on the face of the order to appear and show cause why you should not be punished severely no it means in your mind what punishing you it is severely no also be justified and on that basis you are going to exhibit bias
no we know we say common brofo ana mombremo no say
but Lord you far west
I want to go for abehwe anim na
you far west yeah okay say come and show cause why you should not be punished that for saying ABC they are different but severely means already a punishment but unjustified the reason why it is a punishment no it is severe and you wonder too the comments were not made at Omanfm and for you to drag Omanfm into it
okay
it means a source no crime is in question
okay so you have sorry I don't count on the 2 TV
a source no crime is in question respectfully my lord my process no proceedings ni yasa petition CJ or sa litany of a normal yeken sa untumi nya fair enti message response no cramba the petition to CJ no they attach state of proceedings na ebo no court no
okay
open court I say yes I have the petition of the Chief Justice a handwritten comment said I should make my comments my comment with the court however I'm going to continue this was on the 24th I want to draw attention say one now what's your seven man
yeah
but the law says you cannot be a judge in your own court your course
okay.
CAUS
okay as me fa wa ho no
you can't be a judge in your own course because we don't tell the comments were directed at specific names and to a moment na so bi different panel on the city it is a wolf say wa no jama ho or say otwe ho na registrar e pe obi not na so because even in civil contempt so we disobey an order of a court say for example injunction e da asase so na yesi mo obi anko ho adwuma na ohu ni pakwa ko ho adwuma say other party ni cite for contempt judge na case no nanim no enye no ho na eko because e no order no wa disobey there is likelihood of say obey bias and convict you it is a co-defense charge it is a canvass arguments when na or say no he will continue and it's okay we will continue there we are praying for you to make an order to the 2 TV and Omanfm there's a post comment on Omanfm no so omofa original ayinimra
tape no
footage na show no open court na yehwe because you need source what's the source your YouTube and the raise argument say YouTube no or a third party entity out in America YouTube no call the assembly or say issue disclaimer and electronic evidence act no so oji source FOB ho any panel should is the one who should provide you the at the end from source into who ko hu ade YouTuber untumi farmer court e meka say me ma ko hu ade YouTube or say no YouTube obeto aso and it's okay now what you are doing since against the evidence act section 11 because burden of proof no e wo ho say judge or prosecutor what you mean is a rule in the light of section 11 no and can still go back to the 2 TV no Oman FM. Or see no, you continue. O push yana. O friend. O show YouTube there no one. O friend na be now. Now your argument almost 2 hours. Now o charge no. O charge ni we no. And they say you can charge it no fan share. Normally
o friend be ejina no charge no.
O charge no. O really the charge it free. The table was na
say one asem no afa personal ye hu bia
etina Supreme Court no ebe mu no enti pese di party ase
eyesa odi mu nchiremu no eba
pese di party ase ene
me sure say the work am me sure say na the boafu
yes
yeah but from conversation I hear me na say odi phone na net wo
yes enti o charge no say we should come on the Monday, that was Friday, Monday, and Monday, Metwaso. James Honorable so call hospital Saturday or so. And I doctor say, I'm saying COVID complications or so. Until he said, or excuse me, 2 weeks. To Monday, they acquired letter call. And letter call so okay, what here. Then he made an order for the doctor to appear to explain to the whole world. Sir, I didn't know what on the 1st of October. Now 1st of October, no judicial vacation no, and the 30th. Indeed, every say every court no realize say why mistake. And now without any of the parties or varying the order no, to the 6th. Indeed, before the 6th, you apply for records no normal course nyina court. And you file a friend of supplementary affidavit to the old Supreme Court no. And you go can say asma na e ka no. What infractions are possible? On to me fair because I not jury these are further evidence it's just yes my account you prohibit na question order I'm say 6 no or no yes so motion no anim stop proceedings on the 12 no on the 12 no be available in letter call the 13th and they appear before the Supreme Court and upon court number city no. And you say, "I'm registrar file or no opposition to answer my account."
Or no judge, no,
sir. Supreme Court for a case in almost a registrar no way, not only court. And fortunately, the Deputy Attorney General was in court on a different matter. What case?
Okay, Godfrey Dami.
Yes, and on beside I said, "What does he know about this particular matter?" I was say, "A man attention, a man attention." We need more a man process biya because normally in can register no and a man age no aware say because the suit is being prosecuted in the name of the Republic also man aware he agrees okay a man of copies the following day you bet me by argument then the court will deal with whatever issues are in contention and I copies man until and right you call an argument some make you learning court no ana the argument is oh high court na back the high court na back for the judge to assume jurisdiction normal the argument is no well true high court na back but also no na assembly fan it was personal interest or personal interest there and in fact court na for no on to me fair. So the court agree with us. And now, question the rulings and then orders so make 18th, 24th, and 28th. And I'm prohibiting and say, on 20th, that's a new subium. I didn't want to wear the charge sheet. Okay. And then the order to appear. No. And we should go to the registrar. Okay. That registrar now assign it to a different judge. Okay. But this is what transpired from time order by to the Supreme Court and run.
Way I was for your mama kwaba na afi na wadwene ya ye rough ya woka legal team a wo mo hwe no na bo Kennedy wo hene Japan sam no ye di ehonkomo ne ntia ye frɛ wo ne pese Omanfm tie ase se you know bo ken enam process size so famra kwan so due process na wabedru ba bia wadru na me so bia wo tie bia no be hunu se lawyers na mo abom homodi judge no so why any on so betumi but eje dey Supreme Court so e woni omo so omo aka enti afi na asem na nkasa mo be koso sanity me tietie ba bia mo de ade no free ba nyina ade enti na ase bibia mo de to nanim bia oso nti bibia mo de to nanim bia oso nti bibia mo de to nanim oso nti
sir eno na mo who say already yeah adwene so wafa na adwene dada enti wafa na adwene a eno means on to me fair for us enti the argument before the court was that looking at say the proceedings nisi come there is likelihood of him being biased against their client, you know. Until be a cabiano without due recourse to the law, he will probably do his worst. Or in the West we are, see a court up, not court to near Adrian. Then to me, why are you reverse here? Then our client can further proceed to sue the state, and it will come as a cost. It's not own train because somebody's liberty. Now you tell the Supreme Court better. You are near Twasu. Or see no. Sir. It is social media. Any probably be Casona. A color be no, young Quasar. David. Wait here. But just on my tea and opinion that because I did found one can in a one in fear no. Kofima from the Twist. I several foul. We are now can an animal not several foul. Nasa omotenase ya ma sorry wo hene we fa wo no e be kan se sorry fi say wo tena mu bia onye fe anza kwa na brofo no do omo de no e ba ntimi hu asem a e fa wa ho awukra wo chat sheet wa awukra we kofi mami ti wo kakra wo na fe
yo ya mami nchia etifo ne omo mo hwe nyina miminye lawyer but hanye court intimatumi akabi
kwa
Supreme Court akasa mi ntimi
and I make say lawyer court there me mean to me kokasa ho because menye lawyer I just say ye frame lawyer na betumi akwa dina court professionally no waka sem but baby I tell you me so betumi akabi yeah the odi kan no sa na tie asem e fa ho no de you know common sense natural justice just say untumi ntrasa asem no de di kan asem no fa ho ya wo
kofi be ba o ya na eyemie no etimi ka se wadidi na nanu mo atem eno nko na je se eyo mo nyina enti ya no eno no mo fa ne se aka konwa no ne ahemfie
na ya enumpo no ti se omo nyina so ansa na ye be punish wo but asem ba na se ye tena se aka asem ne dia na se ye pese ye ma won so kwan na won so ka wasem dia ene ne nipa asem ne fa ho no ontumi entre mu bi especially se nipa no otumi a ya de me gonna say se nipa no otumi a na ne nsem so den sen wa ye ntumi ma ono no so ntra asem ne so na ohwe ye honorable Kennedy Japan de no a the moment obekwa kodru court hope no tumi no a judge ni kuta no eso enti obetumi aye bibia opebia said the court
no yi na di no
good ono obetumi aye de opebia if say e no an court e na ono na tumi ni kuta ekuta no enti wo ba na nimu no wo ni tumi the obeka no eye final and so ma order ne so a say obi a wo bia ediso including wa order no ache wo no they make what I say register na say odiso say police ni na oho no so odiso so what I say nti assuming say ono atrasem no so asem ne fad ho ye o say wate wahwe ni wo hu say Kennedy Japan edidi na tem enti wono aye ne ya de di kan aye ne ya de tosu mienu na dwen mu no Kennedy aguna ni ase de tosu miensa ne court no so no Kennedy aguna ni ase ono na dwen mu no enti ne sai nipa sa no na o sei wa obesa tra wasem no so na wasan ama no punishment we have to understand where it will go I said they make an answer good so out of pain you can do anything and who to mean so obetumi dey aye wo dey
o so wo say adwuma antese da reverse na do be
aye adwuma nya wo enti no o say na show contempt emra ne say me show contempt e wo sa gravity of offense wa committee no a dia me dey ma wuni o ko 3 months obeko ansa na wa appeal what I say enti no even sa appeal no krampo no ye je won wasem ni tum na court asem no ye yifri ho a eye sentence na ye dia ma no ye yifri ho a ansa na ye be yifri ho no na wakọ answer because Oma order no pa as will be a diso
one near the
good as a police in no a chew no odoko we gidi so handcuff no doko into no na obi nka say sa entumi nsi even under this present dispensation one go through no say Supreme Court ama order ne say this is how it should go. It will have to go to a new judge. Say judge no trans no hwe no hu sampa Kennedy the oye no wanye ne yie ya obetumi ama no sa sentence no but no no de obi adwin mu no obeji atum if it's a ono judge no asem we no emfa no ho personally court and hyehyɛ ɛna ɔhwɛ evidence a ɛwɔ hɔ factor ɛwɔ asem no mu ne kwan a ɛsɛ yɛfa so yɛdidi asem no nti odi wie na ɔsɛ say na ɛkwa na obi agye atum
kofi mi da ase wɔn mo ɛka sɛ ɛna ebi no mo boro mmara na so no sɛ mo ti ɛkwan a yɛde honorable Ken ne lawyer si afa so a it tells you so obi na ɔboro mmara so okuro
yawe ma me nka bibi nkyerɛ ɔho lawyer wɔ ha ɛsɛ sɛ Ghana ni bie hu sɛ mmara no ɛyɛ nyinaa yɛ dia enti no so obi di asɛm odiw na wadwe mu no hu sɛ asɛm na nipa ne di diw no ɛnyɛ ne kwan so a ɛsɛ sɛ wo pɛ lawyer onu su ni mu odin nye lawyer bia na ni mu odin ebi mu ha papa ebi mu su mu odin nti e so pe lawyer ni mu odin na onu so e fa sam no ma hwe ye hwe eye tatuti kata asam no na bɔ no ebra president Kufuor e ma ye che no but obi enim process a onu decide say emre mu no odin oman no e be fa so what you say enti no ye de ne fa ha say ya no so aguresi ha na emra no masa kwan no
yeah pepepe
so what you say enti no say wo nimu a en wadwen be ye say e bi ye nipa so masintia but e nipa so masin e de na oye de oye ni say of a lawyer and also for a lawyer for say abusuanfo mo ntrase na mo hwɛ masɛm mu mame indi sɛ mo hwɛ asɛm mu na sɛ ye wo bibi wo ho a ye a ebe ye a ni aye den ni aye enye Kennedy Japan ene court Supreme Court no ka che Supreme Court say ade a abrante no judge ne de me fa so no enye ne kwan no nti mo nka ma me da bi eye ni lawyer for ena wo ma wo mutumi say o mo nko dina enye man because lawyer for no mo sa tumi no o mo ho nimdi a o mo betumi aye den aye say djuma nti ye a timamufo no ese ye hu ni sa sɛ yɛde asɛm bɔ wa ɛmfa ho ne baabi asɛm no wɔ pɛ obi a wɔnim deɛ ɛwɔ asɛm no ho na ɔnyɛ den onyina mu ma wo so gyina mu ma wa na ɛkɔ yi a na wode nyame ase ankɔ yi a na wafa ne saa
kofi me da ase Rafi yanko yanim kaka minimo na minimo Rafi no Markins na lawyers amoko no
elect council Kwame Jan
okay lawyer Kwame Jan
and me boss Kwame
yeah
na afenyo be join here
yeah
and a lawyer from Kumasi, Dennis Osenji.
Dennis, okay.
And Kingsley Amwakwabuadu. Yeah, Intina team packed.
Yeah, well packed. Lawyers, no. Yeah. And to say, Adiana mo train. Yeah, quite anymore.
Going forward, maybe. Say court na make order. Say the registrar should assign it into your train. For assignment no omo reasons nso a ema omo kwahye order no omo se ebeba 20th October
okay
nti ye twan no nti ye healing area we have ye keep your bullets ready until our salvos your salvos are ready until our bullets secret until our salvos will be ready
okay guys amuti ene yenuanom ne ma no a mo pa argument no very interesting very interesting ti say o passion wo argument mu abo what is about kwelo ni na wa court na o hwe the way wo mo argue out mu say emra no eye de asem ba kwa be pese bi di ho nkom menim say we no bia be ka bibi atwa to ana ye shifting call member of parliament or no de na konwa on fanto also a file for independent ye ni san komo no so kakra bia bibi kakra de be ka ho e de amaye no de di ho komo so bibi a be ka twato a
oh sisi ade substantive issue le mint kom because subjudice say the sika no enti so far we need for the general public to know say we na akoso Supreme Court there no
okay but I say former member of parliament when you are doing kakra to be our full kakra near why say or say the next parliament or co-independent and the new patriotic party or more expression of at the core parliament almost just some constitution and when I say oh yes I pair not just say one can by default where you have your party and he is not now he's not a member of the new patriotic party or filing for independent on my track on my speaker said you know final free akonya or teswono na vacant say in so 3 months to elections won't mean by election constitution no hwehwe ne say dey kwa mini mo na mo lawyers ano penny lawyers ne bia didn't come there but menyu adwen wo ho kakra there na wo hwa echo
for me what the emfa MPP ne listen to nche ne hwe constitution
okay
question na me te na me busa me ho ne say parliament bia na term ende parliament be a share what transpired in the previous parliament omonye bind by it
okay
and the question I am struggling to have an answer to is he seeking to go independent in the coming parliament
and as a current
and as our parliament or say wajai party
on council wajai but party is already because we are filing for the next parliament independent
difficult also your system no before you ever share na me no din komo a hybrid
okay
ya fa America then ya fa UK there the UK then can clear say current parliament we are ofri mu a oko independent a ubetimi ayi na di when we na expire
okay
but see ade e pese ya test law ne
at the Supreme Court
then test law ne yen fa MPP NDC into ona yen test law ne because you see emrebia no this time when the judges interpret laws now they look at the purpose for which the man buy
okay
into the physics see ade your man test law ne sanka obi kra fa atono so citizen so be test sa provision in the light of this particular situation because Supreme Court apart from say you invoke the supervisory jurisdiction no na dwuma pa nkoe mienu interpretation of the constitution e come in the light of this situation no the test law no rank be clear
okay
be clear
very well mamento ade emra na me ne kofi ma phone so emra me toa so me kai wo se Franco Trading Enterprise ma phones and accessories a papa kai se Ghana ade se wo pe phone ato na wo pe phone papa to dia ba bia wo se do ani kire Franco Trading Enterprise ye niema ide aba wo to online na ye wo discount a de amount www.francotrading.com oko hwa no bedim kom wo to wi a ye ba be deliver ma ansana ya gi sika wo betumi afre 0546 133188 0546 133188 na watumi ama yedi enkomo me kai wo say Kings Air double promotion no ekoso ye ko Christmas imu promotions be brain one be koso ya na enema wo ho ne pese yi na sign de foforo eba na shenon so for mame enema be babu boso so utobia we nom no ai ka ho de chew ne de chew no eye enema hodo te standing fan ye ma you know mobile phones ye be ma you know electric iron ye be ma you know and a kettle ene nema ekeke kan ho te sa onya kasa kettle na me pa ne asan de ba kwa kan ho na aye mienu ne mom ansa na obenya no I say auto flat screen, a deep freezer, washing machine, Sanya maybe auto we are not feeling your count so yeah they are chow. For one each of Anchor barrier, you have police station no. Amasama so investor filling station, you have been Pokiase, White House, ACP, also call Sabeka, but with me afraid 020042 1004 020042 1004 na one womo akwa akodi enkomo Greenfield Scientific Herbal Center for semen kai wo say ambulance service side aba no eguso a yede somo manfo enti ma ohonya ha na fa numbers no ohi ambulance anytime 24/7 no friend ya ba be bo afa so ade ba kwa ye ho ade pa ne say ya hwehwe di padua no amase yare wo mu a ya ma waduro eno ntisha na nso na bomodin say on Greenfield for ebenya ngita wo yare no te say den a ono beboa wo na afi watumi asa 0246 0243 983 906 0243 983 906 one my what typhoid and na one sharon so ye ma ruta tonic ya bedro na 2 weeks and ye dey amount no krani free ho kro na was typhoid no echo one my what typhoid o ma edi kan anonom bie no kire se ye adwuma papa ruta tonic pebinato malaria ebehia ruta mixture we no within 24 hours say malaria no echo and I wo ruta life and so boa na afi etumi boost immune system no oko kan shi drug lane why bi o afi pharmaceutical shops and chemical sellers on ton right mi na so kwa ha on sabe can be 0244 503443 0244 503443 one more episode mo timi didi ye ebehia give us herbal mixture ahoden na wo pe edura ebetumi boost ahoden amana kosoro ebehia give us power capsules so na wo ayim tima wo hia give us cool capsules enro yin so give us na ode esomo 0543222470 0543222470 wo agofimafo
yo
Atianse boko
yo atianse de ya boko nyame adom bibie ekoye yi kosia de twam ne na wotwe na president besrai
okay
and DC wa atianse no even see wo mantem hoda if you see nipa eba bishia president kwan no na no oti nipa ba president bisa say na we no na wo mo constituency mu na mso wo mo constituency mu na tachian say ne afidi 80% na mse enye wo na obeka they are targeting no we are giving the president not less than 80% of what chance because amanfo ni aso ye display projector president Kufuor buy ninsa no adwuma akoso wa chance ye display ni nyina ema obi ehu na president nso eni so adwuma enam ninsa no yatumi aye ewo ho eye medisi ni me sitting MP ene me ankasa ene party for ekwan ye de constituency na faso no nani soy na amanfo nso eni aso
campaign no launch
ye be launch campaign no 1st November
okay
intino ye invite me fa ofidie kase so no invite obia nani je achiase constituency ho obia owo me hu do bia omra achiase on the 1st of November.
Okay.
Na yenyina yen launch campaign no na 80% on the last time no yenya 73%.
Okay.
Now this time yenya a minimum of 80%. Intina mesre adofo ni wono mo a won ani G politics ho MPP for obia say 1st November ye kosiada be na wotwemienu obia momodin no mrachiase na oba ono nso odi nani behu ne ye kan bi ye say bia ye kan oba bi keke on say this particular campaign na ye no ye campaign na ye kire de ye ne de ye beye ye evidence based campaign nti obia ehu enye say bia ye kan keke ewo ho a ukwa enie nti no wo ba chiase ade ye kan nyina ubehu president sam bitwa homemu 40 bed capacity hospital foforo kra wo say wo si dia mayen e wa chiase no ye hye adwuma na se obe me fa konwa eso na me papa baako na nadako ene no wodi 65 years wa chiase me mano awodapa ya mamenko the position of MPP any formina MP
me Raf you we me ba be hwe mejo adwen kakra ewo members of parliament omo council omo here protection omo chese we hwe arms of government the executive obi DC cry man police ni judiciary no ye protect omo na omo hwe omo no parliament niema na se enkonti omo push se ma ne aban so ebon ho money so bitna mejo adwen kakra ewo because I legal kakra
okay you own Yahweh the position of the party no is straightforward and he say wo party no mo party ni emra ene nhihye ego mu ni say wo party no mo woni kwan say wo be kasem bi a en twayi afa party no wo kasa party no e betwe waso de tosu mienu woni kwan se wo be ka party foforo ho asem obra woda so wo party ne mu woni kwan se wo be ton party foforo bia woni kwan se wo be ton nipa foforo bia onye party ni de woni kwan se party ni yi obi se ono na ogina wo party ni din mu ewo bibia mu a wo be ye bibi etia no ana wo be kwa akodi obi achi etia no ana wankasa wo be ye bibi ama ho etia saa nipa kro no wo ye saa esese party no eyi wa different party no saa na party no hihye ne tie good into based on that no ena formula MP wo ye a certain MP ye ko contest no wanko bi eni ewie yi pa wo say o ko independent it means say wo no o ko ye bibi e de etia party no nipa na ya ye den ya yi no wo ye campaign etia no campaign wo ya ma ho wo so enya na party no e de wagina ho nti ye ka kire wo say jai na wo so bunjai na wo ko so e kokko file a esese ye yi wa different party no ebi si wo achimso aduru eye mi ankasa mi nyonko brebo honorable Ampoma Bosompem Joseph Ampoma Bosompem ona no ye certain MP or file say or call independent because we lose primaries no me a press conference and I'm a pamo no free party no because on to me enye party member now one sign ye campaign entia onipa ye yi no say ono na party no e de na ekọ emrahye bedwom nti wo yesa watombra otombra no a emra no say say ye you a different party no now let's fast forward it
koso
good wo that's what parliament wo so ye you a different party no nti wo nyina party no ena so enye emrahye bedwa ni bio dem kan wata say nti no wo independent some for the next parliament it's immaterial at this time make the position of the party
okay
yes make the position of the party
okay
and party you say you were dear free party you were dear free party no want to mean so enye MP e party take it so into the aspect of say enye parliament we no come me Timinia ya upon meeting
honestly your argument near the same
but one argument here the same but I am telling you say your party no the any say wo on your party ni bio what free party no yeah you were the every party
from Rebel from Ghana
it doesn't matter what time you are no more a member of the party so you cannot continue to be a member of parliament for on behalf of that party.
I said, the lawyers are looking at it from different positions. What you are saying?
Good.
Because all the opposition is say this is the position of the party. However, lawyers also don't share two positions. Till I make us to resolve this issue. It is better we test the law up.
We don't have a problem as a party we don't have a problem so we are pair and I can asem no ye wo ba bia ekokosie ye be bon say e wo ba bia ye be kire say aha na e say odito aha na e say odito we don't have a problem but then your position as a party and you see we also have to acknowledge the fact to say the party should have a position
of course
and ye as a party no ye de say say no wonye member of the party bio into wonye member of the party bio wa want to mean koso enye member of parliament emma party no simple enti no wo de say wo se won pene so a ye de this is our position and we've written to the speaker say abrante we ya permanent free party ni mu enti ya permanent free party ni mu no on to me nkoso emfa party no nante say we a member of the majority in parliament no mumutu na konya no ye de position no enti so bia say oni enya adwen a onwo kwan lawyer fo mu betumi aka mo ho abom na mo de asem na ko Supreme Court we ba be hia mo
be say obi de kwa
no so me de akọ so or citizen of this country so me de akọ na ye easy amano na ye nso ye be hia mo ho but now we will meet everybody will take this matter to Supreme Court and we will win the case.
Okay, oh dear.
I'm looking at the possible outcome.
Yeah.
What you say? Enti na meka say we me yi political lens everywhere.
Yes.
Na ma hwem looking at the constitution because we novel.
Yeah.
You see a bidda. Apart from say obi be jai MPP so call MPs.
Across
carpet no. Situation where a bit different.
It is the same thing. It is. For me, for
me, the facts are a bit different.
Okay.
Senka, a good party natural commerce speaker. Who says make reference to some constitutional provisions.
Yes.
Yes, share what the speaker will say and the reactions are the better. Now, yes, certain.
Yeah, because one will say. Opinion no ne boni awaye ne say o say the next parliament obeko independent
good
enti mo say o say the next parliament obeko independent there you ready no say me ba kofi enti say obi ben so ba argue say the next parliament no kan enti sabre die onko enti onye boni bia
the next parliament no you start the process no when you are still in this same parliament what you are saying
but remember say one parliament decision taken by one parliament cannot bind the other.
Yes, that is why we are saying say wow, we didn't go straight away and say me ba so we
make you be the by Supreme Court back at them.
Yes, that is it. And I say aso no eboba eko you understand? Say yanka say o independent. Yan tran ko say o independent. Entina independent for the next parliament. Entina, there be 18 speaker. Ombutu akonya no. No. That is not what we said. What we said was that you were dear free party.
If you say,
ewo niye why ye enti you were dear free party. You were dear free party. No, mrakuni no so kire say. Ese say wo baby a wugina. So what baby a wugina e parliament. Send a more can while you say ni Kobi, Kuvia Sante e Kobi. One more dear, more can say, one more cross so carpet call a party fufro in good. Intino, one more so Kuvia Sante Podi also a jai. Was jai party. One that's what Kobe, those who are down cars were jai. No, what jai you were dealing at it. You only hope you.
Matrega process. Matrega process. With a letter to the speaker. Good.
Na yawe. Ye we nyina no. Ye akosia ne say party no take decision. Whether woni ne ya adwen na woni ne ya adwen no. Se wo party no nko ade a, ese se wo ditum. Se wo nyintum a, fa process na ye fa so no. Na fa pe redress.
Okay.
But won't take a decision that will affect the party. Your decision of going independent will affect the party.
Because we made us say, Mama.
Yes, party need here. We've taken a decision.
Minority leader. Or say, no, Olympia Parliament. Once a party is over in San or no, but offense say technical. Intino, one better as an old marché. Now say, and who be here say, if you ever court class, and when I'm more can, he's also a lawyer. I am a very technical coffee.
You think it's technical, but yes, we are trusting and you're shame, Brano, and I'm son, yes. Yeah, Brano. That's not only first person. You're in a DFP party based on that. I'm giving you an example. I'm going to cross a capital. Baby, me just say, me MP. So I'm also call independent. Or call independent, you know. You're permanent free party.
Since I'm not MP.
Oh, he was the certain MP. No, you're certain MP. I'm giving you an instant. I'm Joseph of Mabus.
I'm a Trocoma Parliament.
No, I'm from Parliament. Say, permanent. But yet, well, as soon as you go, that's what I'm anyway. As you go, anyway, there's a council.
na sa ba ko ma twa na wie na no da ko independent ala na we so
esukosua bia
ada me so betimi awi ni ana as independent betimi awi
me enka ho asem
na sa party
let's say mo be say you discuss it for me na
we ko we party mo
say discuss it for me na
set president because e bi na mo ma no ko wie de ada na we de mo say mo ye
go asunu kosua bia ne sene ye no a
do court one na obeti do meka kire o yanko parliament ne bamba omo pe no omo argument ne say o hear the executive impo DC is omo wo form no omo chese omo represent the president ye mo obia police protection but o de bamba hye ba dwafia entesa won mo nua no omo ye ministers wo mu no ya mo obia protection omo nso a omo nye ministers na de entesa nti omo call for so omo no moa omo nyina no enya bi nti the three arms of government here protective bi protective omo chese enye fe bi no so chese say protection dey be protecting Ghana ni bia including wa we lawyer ni a which me akoka a criminal bi asem na bi affect no na bi ono so afa ho adwene no ya de ma menyi wa adwene e wo sa asem no
so the kan your three arms of government na three arms of government no executive and enforcing parliament and the passing judiciary and the making sure say law na it is no say that here say oka say Ghana ni bia pese ebo no ho ban say de ebo MP ho ban me ne sa Ghana ni nya adwene because MP so parliamentar and some kind of floor no odidi yes you are removed from the other parliament to be within parliament that
yeah
it puts him in a very different position than the ordinary Ghanaian.
Okay.
Anna, what share omoju omo ya e bi ni de asi campaign time like this time. MP no me tese say no Kofi around by 12 years.
Yeah, ko campaign na over.
MP any ordinary Ghanaian. MP has special position in our political dispensation. Every MP, whether he's in the minority or majority, it is our judge, judge police, because if you are convicted, obi na on pakwa hu nipa ehwe so obedi ni bone a na ya minister protection also yes say ma MP etimi ni omo ya adwen
okay
omo ma ya adwen ni say ordinary Ghanaian it is me ni MP epe
okay
many MP yepe
okay
because on my constituency
okay
on my constituency remember say me lawyer oba me also ho chirewa ma mo a undumi nya me MP o me ko wan file o de sa aba na baba beto atia no etia sa de baby bi
ya beto no so
etia bia di pa oba ne nchen ko onim no but oba o constituency na be free se di pa ne ye sa de adwumbo no ni tirima na police ni won nchen na obisa say ebi a de be na wo ho yen we ho na eyi a say a save situation no let's assume that the you
okay
the MP is not an ordinary Ghanaian na omo call for security a or say Ghana na say leadership no more parliament no ebi every ministers
yeah
ebi MPs okay minority majority group
omo protection
but omo protection e dey na we different na e dey na we different from say MP or Mensia North ebi a oni ayinim oni leadership no enti for me sa ade ne de ehu hia
okay
or say at least lawyer whatever me the American example omo congressmen we senators 100 now they are 435 obiya protection paid for by the federal government adentina ono na omo ya 435 no omo constituency nti say ya teaching sa omo protection because they are put in a certain omo responsibilities here different and said the expectations are from our MPs no higher than Omuntino. I mean it's in order
okay
for me is in order
okay
here because you see better to spend money and save life
okay
than not spend money and lose precious lives.
And again, one more attack nipa hodo no ewo botaya omo dey attack omo obi wo hono mo a obehwe na ho hi yasɛm bi akɔka ɔmmra hyɛ baabi afie hɔ ebia ɔba bɛpɛ bibi wa nyama no offense ebia wo no what take advantage bi saa nneɛma but ordinary person a wonam baabi deɛ sɛ obi na ɔba bɛ attack wo
saa na tie nti wo hu asema make ya wo deɛ for example obi kura wa no ma mesra de hɔ ba na ɔba bɛdi ubone ɔba under the pretense bia ɔpɛ bibi afiri hɔ security ni ofie police ni hɔ o ya mpinti your doors are open obi are welcome edipa na ba oni madwen a oni tirim sa jebi say no police no na ma kanwumre no sa wo ni kansi the same as papa ya mfansiman de ya si say only police no na ma kansi because the presence of police crowd adwenboni obi tirim a e ma yam hye no oh eti so obedi boni na nka bia me fa say police ka ho crowd no shutu ya e bia nka onso be shutu back plan bia nka obi prank nka fa wo ma eti my brother omo ka say well Ghana for you na protection it's true but obi a member of parliament onye ordinary Ghanaian same he's put in a different position
but as a raf kofi onya nkomra hye badwa fie
onyame adoma beko
ho tete ho te sei wo obambo ho asem ho no ho tete ho te sei visa wonu wo mse wo emra hye badwa ni de ba no constituency a wako campaign a wo ba na asasem no ba beto me gidi se mu nyina mo afam afutuo ene ababa say na adwuma no esitie ukofo mu a
yo the mechanic say adwuma no enafom on say we no baby adru sisi empo de ya prapre so obi epre ntinu say obi enya kwanya na say wo na wo da top a obetumi aye bibia ebetumi ama won so wa free ho what I say now free wa na ekwan ademu ama no because say ne enipa bewu na so obenya baabi agina ono de wo hu ni say enum beboa no because say ankoba say ye be link kele no to ono director ene say na wa famuko because wo hwa sa amantem ho no ano constituency a ene no ebo hye no eye adwuma ko sa ina akakakra bi ni ebeto aba a candidate a yi no a na obi enim se enya de ato force betumi no kura no yawo wo ko party political party no mo ye get together okọ na adechin no wawu ya poison no mo wawu ani e ba beto abanti sese yi abi so what I say indi na basa de wo mu ni se afi na mo kofa nipa foforo e de no aba be shim ndi wo de nipa foforo ba be shim no obehunu na ano anko yi ama no enti no enima bebre sisi e wo political campaign e bra ye be call elections no se we ye no so free ho a te say the raf kan on say emra hye bedwani no owo responsibility esese wo ye ena eye ne manfo na de na akọ ndi no sebe se na manfo ni migide wo mu a ye nto aba ma no se wonko ye den wonko gira omanem ndi no wo gira omanem ni de ohia bambo that is number 1 a key because asem bi ebesi wo hobia no ono na ye de asem no eye den ebe dan ndi no se da bia ye beku mpia asem no ba hwan na ye de dan no afi be duru ba bi du krampo ni padodo no mepese omo be ye den omo be call parliament ni bio because meko ni be kumi de se ne na mapem ba bia cha se ne wo hwe JBD ya nipa no okọ so oye den okuku no because we breedie hu say only protection no se ne na akwan aye den adam but se nka wo protection a e bia nipa no nka de di kan e bia onye na adwen sa ana so be na adwen sa mpo a nka e bia ni protector no obe stop it sadly because we trained person yen the yele me in terms of security indinu say me tutuo pay kura e bia binim de eseme ye
me da kofi quickly na kwesi agimambedi akon ewo adwura na we raise issues afan koma na edifa independent candidate and any ye na di no or the very interesting what you say I'm very happy the good lawyers in your studio the discussion this morning lawyer. I would like to take the opportunity to ask this. Do you remember Honorable Joe Osewusu and Seth Ejeba Shaba lost the MPP primaries in 2008? They got out from the party and went as independent candidate Bekwai
and Nkoko constituencies. They won. Now my problem is, during the 2012 general elections, the MPP party accepted to go for primary while they were still servicing as independent MPs. It was unfortunate that Shaba lost to the primaries to Honorable Darfur.
Yes.
If you could remember, MPP has the elections for all parliamentary primaries for 2012 on April 2010, but the MPP National Executive put those two constituencies on hold till October 2012 in order to enable those two independent MPs to contest so that they will not be expelled from the parliament. A council, what an argument no making us.
It's an argument, but in all sincerity, what's the situation we are a bit different.
Okay.
Omono na omuni parliament. Omo akon masem. Jo se usu olusu primaries time na oni parliament. Em say one vote. Sometimes no DVL.
Okay.
Enti eno no oko independent no. Wan ko se MPP ni. Sort jo se situation ase.
Jo se one free parliament na call.
There be not only parliament.
Okay.
No parliamentarian.
No more parliamentarian.
Very well.
Enti we no dey we no different. Different. Enti na make us we no ehia se be test law.
Okay.
Go
vi ehia se be test law.
And there is a problem here. But test law now, MPP will win the case. Yes, the MPP will win the case.
Anyway, Ralph, me dance so by.
Which me dance me.
Ko you mouth me dance. What's it campaign more launching the time then?
Yeah, launching on the 1st of November.
Okay.
Kosiada. Kosiada e be na otwemi. Nti me invite obi opemase.
Okay.
Utie me wo Oman FM.
Including obia.
Yes, obia. And because we have a big place to accommodate everybody.
Okay.
To be embra munche odo on the 1st. Mo amun tu kwan.
Ejano se o so kan wan
ejano de ono wa amade a ono obeti asem aka. Safo difa baako. On de onye na dwen se wonko. Na obi hu asem ebi.
Obi amfazia. Nyame adoma next week ebehia. Me din ede ya amofa boache. Raf Japan. It's a legal practitioner. I mean, I'm that's all by. Ora Kofi Mafon so jina mo dia ma chi ase for us. Parliamentary candidate for the new patriotic party. One of my share production na mame Jifa Baku Solomon Sasumensa God na sarvedi akosala Sintiabo aje Osabere ma focus said before Ejekum Randy Kwesininsen and Obia Obo Ibia Obia Nyame yad mo chando pa ibisha.